Warm, bold, and bursting with Mexican-inspired flavors. Smoky chorizo, golden potatoes, and spicy beans. Comfort food at its best. Start by preheating your oven. Now chop the potatoes into small chunks, then set aside. No need to peel. Halve the tomatoes and slice the pepper into strips. Then chop into chunks and set aside. Pop the potatoes onto a lined tray, coat with oil, and season well. Toss to coat. Spread the tomatoes and pepper onto another lined baking tray. Add chorizo, then drizzle with oil, and season to taste. Roast the potatoes on the top shelf until golden and crispy. Halfway through, turn them and add the chorizo vegetable tray to the middle shelf. While the oven works its magic, halve the avocado, scoop out the flesh, and slice thinly. Drain and rinse the kidney beans. Then mash half with a fork in a saucepan, leaving the rest whole for texture. Add the chicken stock paste, tomato puree, chipotle paste, smoked paprika, and water to create a rich, smoky sauce. Bring to the boil, then simmer until thickened and glossy. When everything is nearly ready, fry the eggs in hot oil until the whites are set, but the yolks remain beautifully runny. Combine the roasted potatoes with the chorizo vegetables, then divide between bowls. Add chipotle beans, top with sections of avocado and a perfectly fried egg. Finish your creation with a dollop of sour cream. Rich, smoky, and absolutely satisfying.